Facial tissue cartoning machine and heat shrink wrapping machine linkage line is suitable for automatic packaging of facial tissue, napkins, paper towels and other products. The linkage line adopts PLC, inverter, encoder, photoelectric sensor, proximity switch control, touch screen display, advanced performance, high efficiency and good stability. The cartoning machine is equipped with a multiple detection and rejection system. The facial tissue and paper box are all detected by sensors, and the batch number is printed and sealed before output. During the inspection process, waste products, no facial tissue are rejected at the exit to ensure that the product quality fully meets the qualified requirements. The linkage line can be combined with case packer machines, inkjet printers, labeling machines, glue sprayers and other machines to form a facial tissue outer packaging linkage line. Welcome to call for consultation.